Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to master the art of adding comments and mentioning teammates on Asana, the popular project management tool. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to open the task where you want to add a comment. This is important because comments are tied to specific tasks. They allow you to have task-specific conversations, keeping everything organized and in context. Now that we've opened the task, look for the Add Comment box at the bottom of the task pane. It's here that you'll type your comment. The reason we do this is to keep all relevant conversation attached directly to each task. This way, it's easier for your team to follow the discussion and make informed decisions. Next up, let's say you want to bring a specific teammate's attention to your comment. Here's where the magic of mentioning comes in. In the Add Comment box, type @ followed by your teammate's name. Asana will automatically suggest names as you type. Click on the correct one to select it. This helps us ensure that the right person gets notified about the comment. It's a great way to collaborate effectively and make sure everyone is on the same page. Once you've drafted your comment and mentioned your teammate, hit the comment button to post it. This is the final step, and it's crucial because it makes your comment visible to everyone on the task and sends a notification to the teammate you mentioned. Let me explain why this matters. By adding comments and mentioning teammates, you're not just communicating. You're creating a transparent work culture where everyone knows what's happening, why it's happening, and who's responsible for what. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've learned how to add comments and mention teammates on Asana. Remember, effective communication is key to successful project management. And with Asana, it's never been easier. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy collaborating.